Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of 10-Minute Talks with Chaso. Before I get into today's episode, do not hate on me for the room. I know it's messy. I know you guys get on my ass every time about a dirty ass room. I'm sorry. I try to keep it clean, but it's just so hard to keep it clean when you're just like busy and shit. You know what I'm saying? So like shit, don't blame me. Anyways, today's episode is going to be on how I was able to make over $11,200 in the span of about 3 weeks from starting this new business model that I'm going to tell you guys all about in this video. I'm literally going to tell you guys exactly what it is, how to actually get started with it, with actionable steps that you guys could literally do today to actually get started with this, and how you guys could do it to literally print like at least $5,000 by next week. Matter of fact, some of my students actually made like $20,000, $20,000 to $30,000 doing this exact opportunity. One of my guys, AJ, shout out to AJ, he actually copped a Tesla because of this opportunity. So it's actually insane, and I want you guys to hop on it because I don't know how long it's gonna be a thing. So yeah, I'm gonna get into it in a couple seconds. But before I do that, I do want to say, guys, I just got earrings. You guys fuck with it? Like, tell me in the comments. Do I look cute? Like, shit. Imagine like the weekend playing in the background, shit. Like, I'm doing way too much. Before I actually get into the value and start the timer, I do want to show you guys this is legit. I might leak exactly what this opportunity is before I even get into it. But as you can see right here, I'm not sure if you guys can see, right here, 11,000. I actually made 11.3k. Funny enough, it just went up in the last day. I think like another 100, but 11.3k in the last day. I've been literally doing like a couple $100s a day off this opportunity. It's actually insane. But anyways, I'm gonna get into it now. Let me set the 10-minute timer. So 10 minutes and 2 seconds starting now. Okay, perfect. So first, let me tell you guys what this opportunity actually is. So this opportunity, you guys may have heard about it on social media. If you follow me on social media, you definitely have heard about it in my content. It's called WAP UGC, aka WAP paid for views. I think that's the actual name of it. Pretty much what this whole business model is you're gonna be creating content, whether you decide to create content yourself or you decide to clip up content, you can actually create this type of content on a new page on social media and submit your videos to certain campaigns on WAP that will pay you for every view that your video gets. And the reason why this is so insane is because before, traditionally, the way to make money with content was obviously the TikTok Creator Fund. You can make money through that. That was already a thing. But for people like me in Canada or like anywhere else, I'm pretty sure only like the US and UK have access to opportunity. We don't have access to the Creator Fund. So we don't get paid for our views unless you're on like YouTube or some shit. The reason why this is such a great opportunity is because before you would have to sell a product on Instagram or on TikTok to actually make money with your content. And for me, I was already doing 20, 30K a month through selling digital products on my Instagram page, on my personal brand. I have about 178,000 followers, maybe something like that around there. So like I've been doing this for like 2 years, and like that was the only way to make really like a lot of money aside from like sponsorships and brand deals. It was really through selling digital products. But the reason why this opportunity is so great is because all you need to know is, or all you need to learn is how to actually go viral, and you're getting paid like literally instantly. And like the thing with this whole concept is like with content in general, my whole belief on it, you don't necessarily need to create original content to go viral. Like you can look at what other people are doing, recreate what they're doing, but obviously change it up so you're not just stealing their content. So that's the reason why this opportunity is so insane and it's so like crazy. Like I've never seen anything really like this other than the Creator Fund that has come out, and anybody could literally start today and make money with it, right? And like even to kind of add on to that, it's so crazy because a lot of my students have literally hit like 20 to 30K just doing this opportunity last month alone. Like I could literally name like 5 students right now that have done that. So it's a crazy new opportunity. Literally started maybe like a month, 2 months ago now. And so many people are starting to figure out about it because of just how insane it is. Obviously, it's going to spread like a wildfire. Like everyone's going to learn about it. So let me tell you guys the exact steps to actually get started with this. So the first thing you got to do is create a brand new Instagram account. It doesn't have to be your own personal page. It could literally be like a faces page. It doesn't really matter. I know a lot of people, when they create content, they don't want to show their face. So if you decide to go with the faces option, that's fine. But I will say you will get paid less money if you are doing a faces option, just because it just doesn't get the company as much of a return. So they're not going to pay you more for doing like faces content. But the other option is building your own personal brand, similar to me. So creating the content or the page around you. And yeah, that's the first step. So creating the new Instagram account. The second thing is to pick a niche that you want to create content in. So a niche is literally just like a general umbrella for what your content is going to be aligned under. And my niche specifically is how to make money online with content. So all the content I'm posting right now, all the content I'm getting paid for with WAP is still aligned with that niche. So it's important that you choose a niche that you want to tap into first before you even get on this opportunity, just so you have like a clear vision as to what you're trying to do with this content, and you understand exactly what type of campaigns that you could potentially sign up for. Right, so those are the first two steps. The third step, which is the most important step in my opinion, is you got to head over to wap.com. Once you do that, create an account for free. Then on the left-hand side, you will see like a discover button. Literally press on that button, and then under there, you'll see like a page that says like content rewards. Then from there, you'll see a button that says like show all. Press on show all. And at the time of the recording, this is like the exact steps for it. I just know because I say it in every single video. I don't know if they're gonna change it, but this is generally how you do it. Then once you press show all, you'll see a ton of different campaigns that you could potentially sign up for that are paying different amounts for content that you post, right? So like each campaign is its own thing. Like each one's different from each other. The one that I personally signed up for is called WAP UGC. It's the one that WAP directly runs themselves. And the reason why I signed up for that is because I saw that there was a good fit between WAP and my own content I was already creating. WAP is a platform where you can literally post content and get paid. So there's a clear fit for me in the make money online space with creating content. So that's the reason why I chose WAP. But there's so many other campaigns on there from different creators that are literally paying you to clip up their content. For example, I think Iman Ghazi was on there last month. He was paying like I think 40 to 50K in like a budget. And for anyone that wanted to clip up his content, they can get paid for that content. There was also Breast Scales. He's like a big one that's on there. I think he's paying right now like $27,000. That's his budget. And he's paying for anyone to literally clip up his content. And the great thing about if you decide to go clipping is like you're clipping up people who already have motion, who already have traction on social media. So getting views is not hard with the shit. Like you're literally just clipping up their own content that they most of the times actually provide you, and you just get paid for it. So that's like generally what the steps are. Again, like sign up for a campaign and then you start getting paid once you start to post this content. And something I want to talk about is I personally chose WAP UGC again because it aligned with my niche, but also WAP UGC, I think they have a budget of like $100,000 every single month, and they pay around $5 per every 1,000 views if you're running a personal brand. I think it's $2 if you're per 1,000 views if you're running a Faces page, right? So if, in my personal opinion, I would say go with WAP UGC. That's the same community that all my students have ran to make money like this last month. Some of them have also clipped other content for other creators, which does work really well as well. But I think WAP UGC is like the main one that I would recommend to you if you are getting into it. Just go into that. And the way you're going to actually create this content and actually go viral with it is, again, to like look at viral concepts from this niche already, from other people who are already running this type of content, and just literally recreate their content to the best of your ability, but don't take it one for one. Like still change it up a little bit so you're not just stealing content. I don't recommend ever stealing content. It's just not a good way, or not really a sustainable way to run a personal brand. It's important that you could take the core idea of what they're talking about in the video or what the clip is or whatever it is, and then just adjust it slightly or like change it up a little bit so it's not the same video. And the way you get paid through WAP is once you get accepted into the campaign that you decide to join up. Some of them, I think you could just join up and like you could start clipping right away. Some of them you have to actually get invited into it. For example, WAP UGC, I think they actually do invite only. If you're a viral creator student, you actually get access to that. Viral creator is my community. So if you're a viral creator student, you get access to that right away. We give you like the custom content, everything. Like we tell you exactly what to do, and that's why a lot of students have been successful with it. But yeah, once you're in the actual campaign, then from there, you can start to submit the content. With every single piece of content you create, you can submit it, and you have to do it within an hour of posting that video. And then from there, if it gets approved, they will that video will get tracked automatically. So like every hour, every couple hours, you will get payouts that literally just come to you. Like maybe it'll be like a couple of dollars when you're starting out, but at some point you'll get to a point where it's like $50 to $100 every couple of hours. And for me, like I hit that like last week where I was just hitting like $100 an hour almost. And like a lot of the money I made literally came from the last week. I think I was hitting like 2 to 3K like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, that's pretty much the general process for this. I still have 2 minutes and 44 seconds on the clock. Like I'm kind of good. I'm really good at this shit. Like I really spitballed like crazy. But yeah, guys, like I would say if you are looking to get into this, you could definitely do it without any extra help. But if you really want to take it to the next level and you're not scared to invest money into this, I recommend to you, hit me up on Instagram or even comment on the video or maybe even hit me on email, whatever makes sense for you. Hit me up. Let me know that you want to get into the viral creator community. It does have an investment required. Like you do need to pay to get in, but let's just say you pay the price and you make your money back in a week. What do you lose? You don't lose shit. You don't lose shit. So yeah, I mean, I don't really know what more to say in this video, dude. That's kind of it. Maybe I could show you some examples of content in the meantime. I'll show you some of my best performing videos that have generated me like a good amount of money. So I'm just gonna scroll through this. So this video right here got me 1.6 million views.
If you pinch your skin really hard, you might get a red, painful bump that fills with blood.
This video made $12,800. Here's how you can do the same in 4 simple
That's
steps
so
in
handsome.
under 60 seconds. First, create a brand new Instagram account. You can actually make more than a CEO doing this without having millions of followers. Next, head over to WAP, sign up for free, and click Discover. Scroll through and pick a community that pays at least $3.50 per 1,000 views. This is how you'll make some serious cash. Now, post simple 7-second videos about the community you chose. You can find viral videos to recreate on this site. All you need is 1 million views to make $3,500 per month. And this is Instagram automation. I've been doing it for the last 2 years to consistently make $10,000 per month. Follow and comment now to learn the steps to get started, as long as you're from one of these countries.
So yeah, that video literally got 1.6 million views. It got so many views that they couldn't even pay me more than like 2K for that video alone. So like that video capped out. I had so many other videos just go viral because I just understood exactly what to do. And I realized this is a crazy opportunity. If I can get views, just bread. So I just pushed really hard. Ton of content on my page. If you guys want to see my Instagram, is at just Chaso. I have 177K, not 178K. I gassed it a little bit. But yeah, guys, that's honestly pretty much the opportunity. I'm going to let this shit play out for another 30 seconds so that my timer, when I'm editing it like ends and shit. But yeah, I mean, even if you guys have any questions or any suggestions for like the next episode, I want you guys to let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to do this shit every day, but it's very hard. I have a very busy schedule. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. I will try to maybe talk about some of those concepts in my next yapping video. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys also enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like. Please drop a subscribe. We got about 3 seconds on the clock. Tight shit. So now the timer is up. That is pretty much everything for today's video. I didn't think I was gonna rip through the value that quick, but it's just really goes to show how simple this shit is and how easy it is to make money. I highly recommend, if you're watching this video and you genuinely stuck to the end, get on this opportunity. Whether you go through with like the program, whether you go through with my extra help or not, get on this opportunity. Like anybody could do it. You could literally change your life with this one opportunity. If you can even make 10 to 20K a month, yeah, that's 10 to 20K. Just like that. For doing what? Posting content? Shit's easy as fuck. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please drop a like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want me to talk about in the next video. All right, guys. Peace.